Good morning guys, this is vlog 14. My name is Ari Gold. This is my channel PHON-ER. You are logged in. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have one phone in Beverly Hills and we're about to drive there to fix it. It's an iPhone 6 Plus. It's for our old customer Hezi. Cool dude. I'm meeting him at his son's Taekwondo class in West Hollywood area instead of Beverly Hills, since he's going there now, but it's in the same area around there. So we are going to okay guys, stay tuned and I will be back with the video of how that goes and how we break that down and fix it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. We'll be right back with you with the iPhone 6 Plus coverage on its way. Thanks, see ya, bye. Hey guys, we just got here to Taekwondo. That's where we're on Wilshire and Crescent Heights with our bag. Get this show started. Hey guys, I just got the phone. We are about to fix this phone in. Oh, today's free. It's Saturday, so it's free. Sure. It is. Okay, let's see. We are gonna fix this thing in our car. We don't do this much very often, but when we do it, you know. So actually the best place that I should probably, here's fine. Just put this here so you'll see me what I'm gonna do here. So the way that we do in the car is we don't need to take off the we don't necessarily need much out, so just this for magnetic part for the screws, and then there's the phone right here, and this is for our tools. We put it right in our cup holder right here, which is perfect. I didn't even plan on this when I bought this car, but I just bought it just because I love Priuses for that reason of commute and everything. Just in your screen, putting that here. Okay. And we are ready to go. Thank you for watching guys. This is PHON-ER, Ari Gold, and that will conclude our repair, and we'll be back with you soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, have a great day. Everybody's and we are here. This is our building, my house. Those are my neighbors. These are the cool gardening that they do every day. And I just cross some bushes, but it's okay. And we are home. Yay! Thank you guys for keeping me company on the road. We'll be back with the next replay that we do, and stay tuned. for some cool action coming your way. PHON-ER, RE Gold. Thank you for watching. That's a cut. Bye. Hey guys, our iPhone 6 customer is finally coming. She was sleeping. She just woke up. I told her I will set up the table for her so that when she comes, we can do it quick, so she'll be able to go to her lunch and not be late. Some little thing there hits my head. Hey guys, bear with me. I'm going to settle down my station here. And tools, panel Phillips, tweezers, magnetizer in case we need to keep magnetized. Adjustment tool to get in the phone from underneath and to take off any kind of parts that are a little stuck with adhesive or glue. Spudger tool to go through little things that we don't want to use metal at, so we'll not cut anything. Safe tool to use. And that is it. Here's the screen, tempered glass we include with every repair, and all I gotta do is just do a check-in with Yelp, but half the time we forget to even ask, so we just give it away anyway. Anyways. Hey guys, since we're still waiting for my customer Freddie to get here, this is vlog 14. I just got this package from Amazon because my other tripod from this brand called Sabrent, S-A-B-R-E-N-T, that I just showed you guys earlier, and I'll put a little picture here right now for you to see. It broke on me, so I went and bought a Joby. It's the hybrid version with the ball head. It was $40, which is good, cheaper than $60 or $70. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. There it is. Definitely feels more heavier and quality looking. That's the brand Joby, and it has proprietary ABS plastic sockets. Looks more legit than the one that I had, and that's where it is. That's what it's used for. It's called this. That's what it looks like right there. Gorilla Hybrid. That's their Facebook social network. Just giving them a little promo. Let's see. There it is. Wow. It definitely looks like a high quality thing. The one that I had, I don't know. Yeah, I'll put the picture here or the video for a second. I mean, it has its own leveler, so you can it actually literally will show you the level. And then it's cool because you can actually open this part, put the camera on it, and then just lock it back in. Done. It's much better than having and then twisting the camera all around. You know, just much more smarter. And the roller thing that locks it in and unlocks it and tightens it and doesn't and back and forth. Vice versa. It's really. I mean, you can see it's quality. You can see it. And let's see. Even the feet of this tripod look really sturdy and good quality. Oh yeah. You can see it. The other one that I had, everything was it felt like it was gonna fall off or something. And this part broke from the other one, but this thing looks legit. It's not gonna break. I guess the difference between $14 and $40. Huge difference. Wow, yeah, this is definitely a quality. You can tell it's quality right away. Ooh, can't wait to put my Canon on this my G7. That's what I'm planning on using for most of my vlogs. Just the GoPro is very handy because it can just go anywhere. And it's so small. But the G7X that I have is also pretty small too. So I just need a good stand. Yeah, and this stand literally works. really works. Does the job. Yeah, so I like it. It's great, awesome. This you can just unlock it a little, so you can twist it back and forward to the 360, and then this thing also rotates. Overall, a great product. I'm super psyched, super happy. So I would recommend this, and I will provide the link below of where I got this from, so you guys can order too if you like, in the description. And yeah, that, or I can just provide you a seller. I'm not an affiliate with Amazon yet, but I should be. But because I've been told that I can sell things by just talking about it or wearing it, like this thing, this red watch band for iWatch 2. No, for iWatch 1, stainless steel. I already had 5 people like ask me where I got this from, and they literally went and bought it from that same vendor. And if I had an affiliate with Amazon, I would have made a little bit of money. Not a lot, but just a little, but it's fine. It's just the factor of having this out there and people actually like wanting to get one as well, because of the color and the texture. It's leather, only like $14. So I will also leave the link for this one as well in the video, so you guys can order if you like. It's pretty nice. It's really good and feels good. Very good. Yeah. There's more stuff in there. This is for your iPhone. Cool quality too. Okay guys, I will be back when she's here. In the meantime, thank you for your patience. See you guys soon in a second. Thanks. Okay. Finally here.
Sorry.
It's a cut. Here's my friend Frederick, if you want to say hi. She's awesome, and of course we're all awesome. Okay, so we're gonna fix her phone right now.
Got crushed by a car tonight. Out in the desert, fell on the sand, and
on the sand, and this is what happened?
Yeah, and the SUV rolled
it
over.
Honestly has the most, wow. Remember last time you used the water damage and that was this?
Yeah. We saved that phone too.
Honestly, like, it is so beautiful though. Like, have you, I mean, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Because the design of the brick is so beautiful. It looks like it's like a mountain, like little arcs, you know?
Yeah.
It's not like a full scatter.
You're such an artist.
I just have to like put this, and then I'll use my new Adobe effect, and I'll put this in a video, and this will be actually in a video spinning.
Oh, really?
Working, it's cool.
Cool.
So I mean, whoever told you anything that don't vlog on.
Yeah.
That's what my thing says.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to.
Keep calm and
I like on. It.
I'll send it to you. Okay, cool. So this is all done. This is before, after, and we are done. That's my friend Frederick.
Yay!
She's gonna start her
Thank
makeup
you.
vlog, and I will put a link here so you'll check out her channel. Thank you for watching. This is Ari Gold, PHON-ER. Stay golden, and that's a cut. That's a wrap.